Welcome to our exploration of decision-making in the digital age. Today, we'll be diving into the Cynefin framework, a powerful tool developed by Dave Snowden that helps leaders understand their operational context to make effective decisions. The Cynefin framework categorizes problems into 5 distinct domains: simple, complicated, complex, chaotic, and disorder. Understanding which domain your situation falls into is crucial for applying the right decision-making strategies. In the simple domain, problems are well understood and the solutions are clear. The decision-making approach here is to sense, categorize, and respond, utilizing best practices that are already known. However, when facing complicated problems, the decision-making process needs to be different. Here, expertise or detailed analysis is required. With complicated problems, we employ the approach of sensing, analyzing, and responding, leveraging good practices to find the best possible solution among many. In the complex domain, cause and effect are only understandable in retrospect, and outcomes are unpredictable. The strategy is to probe, sense, and respond, essentially experimenting to see how the system reacts and then scaling up successful initiatives. Chaotic situations lack clear cause and effect relationships and require urgent action. The method here is to act, sense, and respond quickly to establish stability. When you're unsure about which of the 4 Cynefin domains fits your situation, you're in the realm of disorder. This can feel like being lost in a haze, but the trick is to clear that haze by breaking down the situation. By identifying parts of your situation that align with the simple, complicated, complex, chaotic domains, you can assign each part to one of these domains. Once you've divided the pieces among these 4 domains, you can determine the best way to handle each one. This strategy allows you to navigate through the fog of disorder and make decisions based on clear, domain-appropriate strategies. It's like turning on the headlights in a foggy environment. Also, in this digital age, with a massive amount of information at your disposal, maintaining a thoughtful, disciplined approach can help you avoid hasty conclusions. For simple and complicated domains, decision-making tends to be more straightforward with clear paths and predictable results. But for complex and chaotic situations, you must adopt flexible and evolving approaches, which necessitate quick action and continual adjustments. For chaotic situations, prioritize quick, decisive actions to establish order. Then observe the impacts of these actions and adapt your next steps based on what you learn. For complete disorder, start by breaking down the situation to determine which domain you're actually dealing with. This clarity will guide your decision-making process, helping you to choose the most appropriate approach from the Cynefin framework. Let's shift gears for a moment and explore another decision-making approach, AGPEA, which is a systematic way to tackle any of these problems. The process begins with assess. Understand your situation and identify the problem you're dealing with. The next step is to gather. Collect all necessary information related to the problem. This will give you the foundation for the 3rd step, plan. Considering all the information you have collected, develop a strategy to address the problem. The 4th step, execute, is where you implement the plan. Finally, adapt, monitor the results of your actions, and adjust the plan as necessary based on what you learn. Like the Cynefin framework, the AGPEA approach ensures that all aspects are considered and addressed, providing a comprehensive strategy for decision-making. The importance of ongoing reassessment is immeasurable. Particularly when executing strategies in intricate and volatile settings, new patterns can manifest. It's important to reassess and adjust when you make any decision. Take the time to manage decision-making as a business process. Your team, organization, and customers will appreciate your diligence. It's important to stay agile and ready to modify your strategies as new patterns appear. Utilizing tools like the Cynefin framework and the AGPEA decision-making process can help streamline your strategies for a better impact. As circumstances change, updating your strategy may be necessary to ensure your decisions remain relevant and practical. This is Dr. Brian Lambert. I hope you find my videos helpful. I produce them because we're at a crucial juncture in history where effective decision-making has never been more vital. I urge you to view this video in a group setting with your team and peers. Familiarize yourselves with the Cynefin model and practice collaborative decision-making. Your team and clientele will appreciate it. Please consider liking or sharing this video. Your engagement helps expand the reach of the channel and allows me to generate more content. Thank you, and I look forward to our next session on the Digital Transform channel.